Let's see. Okay, cool. Oh, this is perfect. And what's the... Cool. Alright, let's start us off. Doing some scala. So I want some notes. Make this a little bigger. And I'm just gonna do some easy questions, because I don't really understand scala. Alright. Let's pop you off. Alright. Nathan loves cycling because Nathan knows it's important to stay hydrated. He drinks 5 liters of water per hour of cycling. You are given the time in hours and you need to return the number of liters Nathan will drink, rounded to the smallest value. Hold on, what? So if the time even so 3 is 1. So there's no 5.5 because it's an int. Interesting. Alright. Shouldn't be too hard. Take time divided by do. And then how do we round in scala? Put that aside. Down scala. This looks like JavaScript. Do I just have math? Show that. The seal function is also directly well, they say -1, but I'm gonna go with it. So then I can just do, oh, if I do that, then I should have scala. I should have the math, and then to int. Is that what I'm missing? So it's okay. So this will round it down, and then this will convert the type. Okay, cool. Perfect. That's interesting. All right, attempt. Sweet. So I guess it naturally rounds down. I guess that's more optimal. Oh, how can... How does that work? I wonder, are these postfix things? Wonder why that divide by 1. All right, next question. All right, this, I need to do some simpler things before we tackle that. All right, filter out grease. Write a function that takes a list of strings as arguments and returns a filter list containing the same elements but with the grease removed. The grease are any strings in the following array, which is a pre-populated in our solution. For example, Pilgrim? Interesting. Let's see, let's go for it. Now the question is, how do I filter oh, geese, not grease. Alright, whatever. Filter in scala. Filter in scala. If this, yeah, so I should be able to do something like birds dot filter if it exists, if value is in, if value it should be, if this is in here, then value is an array contains, if A contains, if, so I want the inverse of this, so geese, if it does not contains birds, or it would be X, is that how filter would work? Let's see. How would I do this? Something like that. So this should be an anonymous function But got, oh, so I do the, so if it does not contain, does not like this. This contains return scala. Should be just I should be able to just flip. Oh, interesting. Cool. Interesting that didn't work. Bird stiff. That's cool. That's a good function to know down the line. I'm interested to see this post, I think it's called postfix in action. If I could just use this in anything. Right? Or maybe infix notation. Is that just standard to all functions? Infix notation scala. Interesting. All right, try another. We'll do one more of these easy beginner clock things. These easy questions. Okay, given a set of numbers, return the additive inverse of each positive becomes negative. Okay, do it. So, can I use map? Let's map a function in scala. Map. Maybe not. Maybe that's not the word I'm thinking. There should be an easy way of doing this. Like, basically I want a for each, basically, in Java script. No, but a for each doesn't return a value. It just goes through them, I think. So this would be what is it? What do I need to do? How do I iterate a list? Well, I don't want to do for each. Well, do I? Let's see. If I do this, it's not gonna return anything. I'm assuming something like that. How do I get the inverse of an int? Or no, I'll just times it by -1. That should do. That's for each work. Scala. Let's see. There's a way of returning a value. So I go like this. It's not gonna. There's a keyword. There's a keyword I'm missing. Let's see. Modifying a list in Scala. Oh, I can just do that. But this is the way I was imagining. I can do map x x times -1. Hey, sweet. Okay, that's perfect. What? That's wild. That's my solution. So everyone's on the map bandwagon on this guy. Yield, that's what it was. That's what it was, yield. So you use yield when you want to return a value from a loop or something like that. Oh, here's very Scala notation. I mean, Haskell. Invert t as a numeric. Whoa. Okay, so let's try. Alright, let's try level 7s. Level 7s. See if we can tackle level 7s in Scala. Interlocking binary pairs. Alright, let's go for it. Write a function that checks if two non-negative integers make an interlocking binary pair. Interlock. Numbers can be interlocking if the binary representations have 1 in the same place. Comparisons are made by bit position started from right to left. Stacking representation, how this can interlock. Here, 1 shares any position, so the function returns true. Okay. Non-interlocking. Finding they both have 1 the same function, return false. Okay. I wonder if I can just shift right every time. So we can make this a looping function. Okay. So my thought is, how do I tell if it's even? Is there, so if A is even and B is even, then we return 0, or return 0. So if A equals 0 and B equals 0, we're going to return 1. So this is going to be the final iteration. Okay, otherwise we're going to return interlockable with A shifted over by 1, B shifted over by 1. Okay. Can we do this? Oh, yeah, these gotta be false and true. Got a false input. Am I doing this wrong? No. 2 is, if A mod 2 equals 0 and B mod 2 equals 0, then that, oh, I should say they both equal 1. That's what matters. Boosh. So one thing I wanted to do with this was to try out, I got a drawing tablet. So my thought was I just wanted to see how hard it would be to use this. Alright, so my thought was if we had 0, 0, 0, 1, and then, you know, let's say 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what that code above did was it modded this number. Let's grab another color. It modded it by 2 just to see what these last 2 values were. So essentially it was comparing this guy, and then it would shift it to the right, getting rid of these. Then it would compare these ones and these ones, until we got to a section where it was both ones, and if this happened, it would stop the iteration. But say if this was a 0, if this was, whoa, what happened? I don't know what happened there. If this was a 0, it'd just keep going, and once this was 0 throughout, it would stop, because there's no possible way to interlock with constant zeros. Alright, so what do these people do? What? Oh. That's duh. That's the way to do it. Well, hold on. If A and, yep. Makes sense. I don't know what this guy's doing. 2 strings. Now he's taking the length, and if 0 times 2, zip them, we're gonna zip them up, and for every case, I don't even zip it up for all. That makes no sense to me. Divided by 2. What's this done? Some of these are just wild. Alright, 1 7 down. Reverse the letters. There's gotta be a reverse freaking keyword here. If I just do str.reverse, will that just work? Let me actually read the instructions. N-A... Oh, hold on. Given the reverse it and omit all non-alphabetical characters. Oh. But I can do filter what was it? Oh, did I not? Oh, I didn't. So do filter. Check non-alphabetical. single character. Yeah. Don't want to do if it is a digit, if x character let me just do that. Expected but got hold on. Input string of 4. Did I not understand this? Fuck. Let's just do is letter. That's probably a better one. Oh. Boosh. All right, one more. Let's keep going. Alright, what do we want to do now? Cats and shells. An infinite number of shells are arranged one above the other in a staggered fashion. The cat can jump up 3 shelves at the same time from shelf 1 to shelf 2 and 4. The cat cannot climb on the shelves directly above its head. According to the illustrations. Okay, so it can't go above. It's got to go to an odd, or it's got to go to a, if it's an even, or it's an odd, it's got to go to an even. It's an even, it's got to go to an odd. Okay. Very cute. Okay. Start and finish shelf numbers always positive integers. Finish no smaller than start. Start to finish. Start 1. Finish 5. Okay. Well, isn't it always just gonna jump off 3? I guess at the end, you have to jump up. Do it. All right. There's probably an easy way to do this with math. Can I? So it's gonna jump up. Something about val jump nums equals finish minus the start. And then we're gonna mod divide by 3. So then we're going to do remainder equals finish minus the start mod 3. So yeah, then it should just be just jump nums plus rem. Did I spell jump nums wrong? Boom. Sweet. Let's see. Oh, interesting. So they use a case style format. So if the start if finish jumps. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, let's take a gander at that. Let's see. What was I looking up? I wanted to look up matches. Match. Pattern matching in Scala. Matching on... Whoa, what's matching on one class? Pattern matching. Pattern guards are a Boolean expression which are used to make case more specific. Oh, interesting. Oh, so okay. So if start, so I'm guessing that's just matching it off the start, I guess. Or no, hold on. Oh, they're using this start. If start equals finish, then it's jumps. And I'm showing jump starts at 0? Starts at 0, okay. Cool. If start plus 3 is less than or equal to cat shells plus 3 plus 1, so we're gonna keep looping. We're going to, okay, so then this is gonna return churn. Okay. Cat and shell. Wow, very interesting. Alright. Did I lose this? It's been pretty easy so far. Alright. Okay, so enough. So this is a 6. So this one might be above my pay grade. Okay, so enough's enough. Alice and Bob were on holiday. Both of them took many pictures of the places they've been, and now they want to show Charlie their entire collection. However, Charlie doesn't like these sessions since the motif usually repeats. The motif. He isn't fond of seeing the Eiffel Tower 40 times. Fair enough. He tells them if they only want to sit down for a session if they show them the motif at most n times. Luckily, Alice and Bob were able to encode the motifs as a number. Can you help them remove the number such that their list contains each only up to n times without changing the order? Given a list of numbers, create a new list that contains each number of the list at most n times without reordering. Interesting. For example, if the input is 2, the list is drop the next since this would need 1. Oh, right. How am I going to do this? So we have an object. See, how are we going to tackle this? So my first thought is we grab the unique values. Max occurrence. We could, part of me wants to make like a map and then count the number but I don't know. How do we create like a dictionary? Dictionary Scala. An immutable, I want a mutable collection. Can I do something like this? Well, I want, is there a way? Need some object to hold. I create like a blank array. In Scala. Let's make this an int. I don't know if that's going to be good, but then my next thought is we just do elements.filter x, or no, it'd be what we're going to do is we're going to take empty int array, go into it, and make it +1, and then we can return empty int array if it's less than the max occupation. How do I want to make a large int array in Scala. Let's see. With a known size, can I do that size? Known size array in Scala. Let's just set it to like 100, I guess. X is an int. No found type for X? How is that possible? How you're excuse me. 5. X filter right? That's how I've been doing it. Huh. Nice. Why does X not equal anything? No clue. Filters. Scala example filter. Right? Type it in right. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Full left. Filter. Elements. Right, U equal U. And U equal that. And X should be right there. Is it the fact that it's not what this is? Okay, so that's fine. That is fine. Just want to see, understanding what this was. We can stick this in the center. And let's try going back. I wonder if it's because it's an int and not unsigned int or something. Alright, let's look up how do arrays work in Scala. Do we have to use it like this? That might be it. Might be it. So now I'll do this. One, and if this is less than that, but got list. Expecting 2, 3. Max occurrence. Oh. Need an equal sign. Well, we're gonna just fake this. Boom. Awful example. Fold left. So if okay, what do they do? Reverse. Oh my gosh, group by. It's a flat map. Alright, these are above my pay grade. This is something I would probably figure out. Just keep popping it on. Let's see what the highest rated. I gotta figure. I haven't not gotten to fold left stuff. So I guess we'll stop there and I'll continue my class and come back to folding, I guess. Alright.